Hello guys, it's me Marius, and today I'm bringing you another Minecraft episode. This is Skyblock episode 2. Right here, Skyblock. So, last time we built a cobblestone generator, which is not working. What the heck? I'm confused. No, oh God. Holy God. It's not working. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, gosh. Water. What the heck was that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Can't believe that. I almost died right there. Ooh. Well. Yeah. So, one second. I am going to find, the challenges. Okay, here they are. Number one challenge is make a cobblestone generator, which, I've done. So, number 1, check. Number 2 is make a bridge to Sand Island, which I believe is right there. Yeah, thanks. Number 3 is make a big house out of cobblestone, 3 stories high at least. No, 3 stories high, never mind. Number 4 is get 10 cactuses, or cacti. Number 5 is expand the island. Number 6 is build a mob grinder. And number 7, make a farm. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to try to achieve all those. I'm not sure if I have all the challenges. I think there are way more, but I don't know. I'm not sure. So, oh God, no. Okay. So, getting cobblestone. Let's get enough to make it Sand Island. I'm probably gonna do this in order. So yeah, maybe. I'm not sure. All right, this is yarn. There. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Oh God. Yes. Yes. This is scary. This is scary. This is so scary. I can do this, guys. Yes. No, what am I doing? I can do this. Oh no! Oh God. Oh my God. Please not. Yes. Oh. I don't want to die right now. I'm doing so good. Oh. Jesus. This is way harder than I thought. Where's Sand Island? Can't see it. Please don't tell me we're doing this bridge wrong. No! Jesus. Did they give us any torches? No. Okay. Oh. This is a hard choice. Okay, I know what to do. Never mind. Okay. Yippee. I'm gonna take maybe 20 of those. I'm not sure. Depends. I'm gonna make a platform around the tree. So, I want the zeppelins to fall. And, like, not fall out of the world. Fall on the platform. So, I'm gonna take enough cobblestone. And we're gonna do that. I'm not sure what Sand Island is. I think I know. I think I'm going the right direction. Because I've seen other people playing Skyblock and they went that way. So, I'm not sure exactly. So, if I'm wrong, just write down in the comments. Yeah, that would be helpful. If those of you who have played Skyblock know anything that I don't, just tell me. Oh yeah, I need to make a farm to have food. I forgot. Oh god, oh my god. This is so hard. Yeah. I got this. Yes. Yes. Aha. In your face. I'm gonna put my pickaxe in the chest. Just in case. And my seeds. Yeah, that was probably the smartest idea I've had. I can do this. I can do this. I'm not, but I can. Come on, get it. Yeah. Oh my god. No! Jesus. Decisions. I need to make this land water. Oh my god. Oh, more cobblestone. Please. And we're gonna make a stone pickaxe after I get the third one. Yay. Okay. Oh wait, no. I just need one stack. That's all I need. Oh my god, guys. What? I only need 2 sticks. Stupid me. And right here. Okay. Okay. Cobblestone. No. No. Oh my god. Don't burn them. You're burning my babies, lava. What? No. God. This is awful. This is awful. It's torture. No, I need to know for now. Oh my god. Worst thing I've ever done. Okay. Alright. Right when I place this block, so I'm gonna end this. Because I need to go. Done. Let me just... Okay, that I did not mean to do that. Okay. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. And, yeah. See you later. Bye.